People, well, go on. Is this your boy Rome? I don't normally do this, but recording myself watching the last part of this Manchester United game, and it's only because of the PTSD that I have while I'm doing this. Because watching Manchester United get play such a closely fought game, such an important game, them a lead 1-0. We were at the same point last time, and man them just drop up, make the man them score. So it's kind of stressful. My mouth dry. I'm saying I watch a game and my mouth dry. I'm not even that talking about it. I have to drink water because it's rough. Luckily, we have somebody who can hold on the ball, like Pogba. You understand? But good job a while ago. You're watching the fourth official. Make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe to the channel. Hopefully, I can do this a little bit more often. Record the last part of each game. The account is not as big yet, so that we can go live while we're watching the game. I'm watching it on my computer, so reaching to the squeaky bums portions of the game now, where anything good for happen with our defense. So we have to keeper. Alright, well done. Buckle off 5 minutes. 5 minutes. I've been calling for Pogba to start this entire time. Once we realized him fit, I was like, start him, get the goal, and call it a day. But so shall I go for the safe route in the first half, and then him take off Rashford, which is very confusing. Like, why is Rashford off? Is he hurt? Is he injured? Something wrong? Because that's the only way we know Solskjaer substitute Rashford, you know. The only way Solskjaer substitute Rashford is when him up on a stretcher. So I don't understand. I don't know why Rashford is substituted. I hope he's not injured. But Alright, well done, Fred. People, you might hear me utter some stuff that you might not understand. That's just the Jamaican in me coming out. But when you get to this point of the game, it's kind of rough. But leave it to Manchester United for stress man out, son. Keeper. Bucklad. Luckily, I've been saying like the ball over the top to the back post is the most dangerous ball to Ibra because I'm height and him experience. But I do think that we haven't gotten any of those since the first one, the Henderson save, which was a very good save. So hopefully we can make something out of this. Speed ball now. Bucklad, Luke Shaw. Luke Shaw. Anyway, yeah, we haven't gotten any of those since the first time, so hopefully we don't have to get no more. But because the ball over the top to Zlatan. Boy, a foul Pogba and the referee not play foul. Well done, Fred. Stand up over the ball, Greenwood. Yes. Well done, man. Make a keeper come out and kick that. Watching him, man, your dog. Kind of foul that referee. Just because man a ball out, that no means a foul. Total fuckery. Alright, let's go inside. 2 minutes left on the thing. Hey boy, tomorrow, all your next one, I'm gonna suck out your bum buckler at Mumati, you know. Look, Shaw did hack him, man. Look, Shaw hack him bumble for real. That thing deserve. Yeah, immediately after the game, I go to my opinion. Probably talk about 5 or 7 minutes on what I think about what just happened. Depending upon how it go. If the man scored at me, we are going extra time. So let's not say it. Zip your mouth. Honestly, big man thing, I am not a fan of the Europa League. I'm not a fan of this Saturday, this Thursday, Sunday footballing type stuff, you understand? But to be fair, Manchester United is my team. I mean, I watch them. I mean, nobody wants to see it. You don't want to ever see a team lose. Never. So, the idea is to make them man play, watch them play, and hopefully they win. Play me, give man the ball, give man the ball of that. You still a go? Oh, foul that in a ref. Foul that in a ref. You could have given man the ball when I'm McTominay and Musa. Anyway, I'm not a fan of the Europa League. We should still be in the Champions League. I rub knuckles with man like Chelsea and them man there, but I saw life go. Shit already happened. Now we have a chance to go through to the next round. We even want to talk about what happened earlier in the day with the title favourite Tottenham. But we'll talk about that later on after we finish with this year. And kind of elbow your man do a kind of fuck with that. McTominay ribs good. Alright, get to Pogba, carry it in the corner. Get to Pogba. Get to Pogba. Carry it in the corner, carry it in the corner. Well done, well done. Tell him stay away in there, man. One hour to take it through. Don't make one Bissaka take it through. Stay away there. Ah. Game done. Alright, well done, well done. The game is just over. It was nerve-wracking. And this is 1-0 wins. You can't really take like a squeaky bum type of win. Just watching Manchester United over the years and never really, make it easy. But this is how the game should have ended the first round had it not been for Henderson. But clearly, we created the better chances in the game and we should have won this game, and I'm thankful for that. Couple of things. To start off, the team are only going to social start. Obviously, this is always his go-to midfield. If everybody is fit, regardless of who's fit, this is his go-to midfield when they're in one of them big games, when you're in those games that you have to win, those must-win games. And because him trust Fred and McTominay, which you can't really blame him because them two man saddle defensively, but they don't offer anything going forward. Fred nor McTominay offer nothing going forward, which is by far the saddest part of it all. Because I wouldn't mind having them in the pivot, especially because of Pogba's unavailability. But the fact that they don't offer anything going forward is kind of sad. Like, they can't connect with the strikers. Fred don't have no sort of goal scoring threat. McTominay, he will give you a goal, but he's not getting anywhere close to the box to get that goal either. So it's kind of rough. You see the difference that Pogba has when he comes out into the field. The massive difference that Pogba has. I'm just watching the rest of the team like greeting each other and talking to Zlatan and stuff. But the thing that I'm mad about is that when Pogba comes on in the second half, there's a totally different team. Someone who, when he get the ball in rough positions or in a difficult position, his skill and quality can get him out of that and make a pass. And it's not no other player in the team would have scored that goal. Let's be honest. Someone else would have panicked. But that low fake that Pogba gave put the keeper off and then have even the tenacity of the footballing brain for putting at the top corner. Not many of our players can do that. Martial might have that type of ability because we see him do it before. But not many of our players do them kind of stuff. So for me, on a big man level, Pogba is essential. Getting Pogba signing a new contract is essential for us moving forward and winning anything next year. If we are going to try to win the league, we are going to try to win the Champions League, and win some more trophy next year, getting Pogba on a contract, sign a contract and build a team around him is essential. Because today proves more than anything else. This man been injured for a month and come back and do that. We don't have players to do that kind of stuff, bro. We don't have players to do that kind of stuff. Rashford, I don't know what's going on. We know Rashford doesn't get substituted unless he's dead. So that's how Ole Gunnar Solskjaer plays this game. Unless he's dead, he doesn't get substituted. So interesting to see what that's gonna look like. Hope he's not injured. Hope he's just tired. But normally Rashford doesn't get substituted unless injured. Although he was never in the first. He wasn't in the game in the first half. I didn't think he made 2 or 3 passes in the first half. So Mason Greenwood solid. I don't know. Overall, I am happy, glad that we're gone through. The fact that we still are playing at the Europa League, meaning Tottenham gone out. So, can we talk about Tottenham for a second? Them man lead 2-0 in the first round, 2-0, and come back and lose 3-0 to Dynamo Zagreb as Zach. I don't even know the name. Whew. That me don't want to happen to Arsenal too. Me don't want Olympiacos pull it off, but them did a couple more goals. Either way, big side. Manchester United gone through. Glad they never mess up my whole of my week. People, thank you so much for watching. You're watching the immediate match reaction. Manchester United won. I will play again. Yeah, AC Milan 0. Looking forward to the next game this Sunday. Leicester City, another cup game, another important game before the international break. Bless up on yourself. Make sure you hit subscribe on the video. Make sure you hit subscribe on the channel. Like the video. Leave a comment. Bless up on yourself. Manners.